Creative wall showpiece for books and decoration items. Welcome to our channel. So like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. We explore innovative ways to display your favorite books and decorative items on your walls. In this video, we will introduce you to a variety of wall showpieces that not only showcase your belongings but also add style and personality to your space. Let's dive into the Get Inspired. Floating shelves are a versatile and practical option for display books and decorative items on your walls. Available in various materials such as wood, metal, or they offer sleek and modern look. Arrange your books and accessories on a creative configuration and a creative visual interest. Showcase your personal style for book lovers who want to make bold statements. Like, share, subscribe for more ideas. Consider the wall-mounted bookshelves. These shelves are designed to hold books horizontally, creating a visually striking display that double fills as a functional storage. Choose from minimalist design for a contemporary vibe. Ornate styles touch of elegance. If you are new here or if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Picture ledges are a stylish alternative and traditional shelving for display books and artwork. These narrow shelves protrude slightly from the wall, allowing you to layer books and decorative items for a look. Mix with match different sizes and pinches to create a dynamic display that reflects your unique taste. Stay organized while adding a visually interested to your wall with a grid wall organizers. This modular system features grids, metal, wood and panels. Like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon that you can customize your shelves, books and baskets. So like, share, subscribe for more inspiration. Thanks for watching.